Ready guys? I got one more video for Rakhi. I want to do this. Now I might get a lot of hate for this, but in the next 2 minutes, I will make you question if you're actually protecting your sister this Rakhi. You and your sister have been through everything together. चाहे वो हो chocolate के last piece के लिए लड़ाई या saving each other from मम्मी की पिटाई. You've laughed through the tough times and you've even become each other's partners in crime. You have always shared secrets no one else will ever understand. And you swear to protect her when she ties a Rakhi on your hand. But as you gift her as many sweets and chocolates as you can, you stray away from your oath, my man, especially when all around you, you can see how bad excess sugar can really be. Then why do you gift your sister diabetes and clogged arteries? And it's not like sugar itself is bad, but it's your lack of moderation that is sad. So it is time we shift the narrative and break free from the cycle of health risk and obesity. Do not celebrate love with sugar, celebrate it with health. Protect your sister by making better choices that heal. Switch from sugary sweets this Rakhi to healthier gifts. Gift her a blood test, buy her a gym membership, put a watch on her wrist, the exercise wearable one. Cook healthy meals together because Subharam sugar se nahi, sehat se hoti hai.